honor to make a presentation to you. Before details about C3, I'd like to talk about the partial discharge measuring system. The partial discharge measuring system is to measure the partial discharge of a power facility. The partial discharge occurs before installation problem, for example, void discharge, corona discharge, surface discharge, etc. So, the partial discharge measuring is the only reliable method to prevent installation accidents, like breakdown or big fire or failure, cause huge property damage. So, to keep safety of life and property is our main goal. We are designing and producing the high-quality partial discharge measuring system. Also, we are trying to improve the performance to the best. This presentation gives you details and merits of C3, and I believe after presentation you will fully understand about C3 and be ready to use C3. And I introduce about C3. C3 has 4 unique merits. First, C3 is all-in-one system. It is embedded all sensors and modules to find PD source. The PD source is another word PD spot. It means where PD signals come out, so you will get to know where fault. Second, C3 is a wireless communication and battery system. C3 and Note PC can communicate over 20 meters in digital signal. Also, you can charge C3 quickly. It takes about 2 hours for full. After that, you can use over 8 hours. Third, the best merit is the scan method. To find PD source, you just scan around the extra high voltage. It is really simple and easy way. Fourth, can you imagine to contact a live extra high voltage? I can tell you, you can contact and scan everywhere of a power facility. It is really perfectly safe system. All contents will be in protective case. You just prepare like number 6. Inside there are 5 sensors and there are several keys on C3. C3 is covered by silicone insulation case. You can connect a USB cable to charge. It is really light and small size system. Mostly the other measuring system, the other measuring company use ground connection like HFCT or RFCT to measure partial discharge. Can you see a lot of noise here? It is so difficult to find out between PD signal and noise. But if you measure by C3 in the field, you can see the clean graph. It means EM sensor in C3 is optimized for high SNR, high sensitivity, and high saturation level. And C3 can be charged for full in 3 hours. This LED shows battery charging state. The red is charging on and will be off in charging down. You can't imagine how many sensors and modules in C3. Its only system is embedded all best technology in the world. When you scan around the extra high voltage, C3 measure fast and communicate with Note PC. We are studying continuously how to measure partial discharge in the field easily, simply, exactly, and safely in the field. Let me show you our experience as pictures. In laboratory of KEPCO, we tested for extra high voltage cable. The KEPCO is Korea Electronic Power Corporation. We could find PD source easily. Also, we tested for a cast resin transformer. Look at the graph. Can you see the gray change here? When you see the gray change like this during scanning, it means you find the PD source. We could find the PD source in 1 minute. We tested for a solid insulator switchgear. C3 is online monitoring system, so you can measure at a live extra high voltage cable. We could find PD source by checking graph. This is another extra high voltage cable. The scanning method is really useful to measure partial discharge in the field. This picture is about HVDC cable. When we contact or scan around the extra high voltage cable, you can recognize partial discharge signal and PD source in graph. This picture is about extra high voltage cable drum. Look at him. He looks really comfortable and safe. And this picture is about extra high voltage cable of tunnel. This cable is quite long, but it's not a problem because C3 measures fast during scanning. This extra high voltage cable and EVA is the outside. This case can seem like difficult because of outside field, but with the scanning method, there is no difficulty. We tested for high voltage SABS pad with Kepco. We contacted directly at a live high voltage cable and scanned, so we could find PD source. And also, we tested for another SABS pad, and we could find PD signal and PD source. We started scanning from here to each graph mean to each circuit. We could find PD source at number 2 circuit showing many PD signals. The two of other company measuring system didn't work. Only C3 could measure exactly. When your power facility got failed from QC test, have you ever wondered where fault is? This LBS pad got failed from QC test, and we measured it. C3 could find the PD source. The fault was at the 3rd circuit. In addition, we are producing couplers and measurement for QC. When we tested for QC, here C3 detected PD signals and sent to the node PC. This distance was 5 meters. And these pictures describe the high performance of C3. We tested C3 in 440 kV cable. We made a defect intentionally in 440 kV and tested. The C3 could find exactly where we made a defect. We were in Malaysia to measure partial discharge, and we found 2 defective cables. One is JBA. We scanned around and found PD signal and PD source. Another is JB7. We found PD signal and PD source with a scanning way. As a result, you can see the carbonized cable. It was burned. I've explained many pictures of real field test. In short, C3 can detect partial discharge signals and find the PD source through scanning and detecting imperfectly safe. C3 provides high performance and long battery and wireless communication. This part is about software, so take a close look and follow direction. The real size of C3 is just the fist size. I think it's smaller than my fist anyway. These are accessories of C3. It is finished to take 2 cases over shoulder in the field. And I'd like to finish up by saying that please remember C3 is unique merit, online monitoring, online system, and scanning method to measure every power facility and wireless communication and long battery system. This only one system is for you. And thank you very much of your time and constellation. Thank you.